that you gotta go to school. Tell your mom what to expect, she says it's right out of the blue. Do you wanna work at Debenhams? Cause that's what they expect. Starting lingerie and Doris is your supervisor. And the head said that you always were a queer one from the start. For careers you say you wanna be remembered for your art. Your obsession gets you known throughout the school for being strange, making life-size models of the velvet underground in play. In the queue for lunch they take the piss, you got no appetite. And the rumor is you never go with boys and you are tight. So they jab you with a fork, you drop a tray and go berserk. While you're cleaning up the mess, the teacher's looking up your skirt. Hey, you've been used. Are you calm, settle down? Write a song, I'll sing along. Soon you will know that you are sane. You're on top of the world again. Knowing that you gotta go to school. Tell your mom what to expect, she says it's right out of the blue. Do you wanna work in CNA? Cause that's what they expect. Move to lingerie and take a few lost Joe the Stoneman. Tell Veronica the secret of the boy you never kissed. She's got everything to gain, cause she's a fat girl with a list. Six up for you when you get aggravation from the snuff. Cause you can't afford a blazer, girl, you're always wearing gloves. At the interval you lock yourself away inside a room. And a window scares you, asks you what the hell do you think you're doing. If you think you're better than the other kids, well get outside, you got permission. You got to make the master think it's right. Hey, if you know, write a song, I'll sing along. Are you calm, settle down? Then you will know that you must sing. You're on top of the world again. You're cool and you know. You're a star, you're far. Think of me as a friend, not just a boy who plays guitar. You're on top of the world again.